I'll start the recording. I'll send you the video after the class today. And before we start, what is Power BI? Tell me, friends, one thing. It is a bit vast.
It's a visualization tool, basically.
It is like a school chemistry class. Really, really. Okay. Many people think, oh, Power BI means reporting. No, no, no. Reporting is only 10%. Power BI can do a lot of other things for us. Data modeling, AI, Copilot, forecast, big data analytics, data cleansing activities, data generation activities, identifying the missing data. My God, lot of things. Tell me how many hours you can give per day. Minimum 1 hour everyone practice per day. We'll start our classes from tomorrow. Minimum 1 hour,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Others, please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Others,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Others, please. Others, please. Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, friends. I know you'll choose your trainer. We are at to start our intro. Okay, we'll do it carefully, step by step. Anyway, you'll choose your trainer very carefully, right? You'll test your trainer. You'll test your curriculum. You trust the website. The same way, I need to also be happy with your attendance. Filtered registrations. I say, please, please, attendees are responsive. We'll continue the course. Let's make it interactive. It's a demo class, but when I ask you a question, you have to respond. You ask me a question, I have to respond. It's not like take it for granted. No, no, not at all. You have various options to learn, various platforms to learn, but at the job desk, various challenges to face. Let's make it clear. Subject is a bit vast. Need your support. Thank you, attendees have been responsive. Really appreciate. Let's get started now. This is Sai Padendra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch. I also assure you I filter and take the interactive participants in the class so that it goes in a more interactive way, right? What do you say, friends? Tell me. If everyone is interactive, majority are interactive, majority are practicing on time, we can have more points, more interesting and active interactive learning process, right? What do you say? Please, do you agree or
Yes.
Yes,
not?
sir.
Everyone.
Yes, agree, sir.
Yes, let's think
Yes.
practically.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, agree.
Thank you.
Yes.
Attendees who are not
Yes,
responsive,
sir.
I
Yes,
am
sir.
sorry. Our team is going to do the needful. Really, it's a demo class, right? I should be clear, friends. This is my school. I'm carefully protecting it for almost 19 years, and I have to do it at least for another 5 to 10 years to make my bread. Continue to make my bread, and I will be the only one here for Power BI. I will be the only one. So I should be cautious. Okay? No mass propaganda. No, only class participants. I am fine with it. Need your support. Content is the king here. Content, Power BI contents, very vast and straight. Very vast. Trust me, again and again I'm telling friends, it's a chemistry class. There are a lot of chemistry activities we need to learn. I'll show you the flavor of chemistry today in next few minutes. What is Power BI? A suite of tools to design reports and perform analytics. I repeat, a suite of tools. There are total 7 different tools we need to install in our computer. What are those 7 tools? We'll do next few minutes. We'll go for questions after these concepts and the revision within next 20 minutes. First 15 minutes today, what is what? Next 5 minutes, revision. Then we'll have a complete information in a single screen and go for questions. Power BI is a set of 7 different tools. For what? For adding color to your data, make it information, make it informative. Data converted to information using Power BI. Power BI dashboards, what are these? These are a collection of multiple report items. I repeat, reports. For example, I log into my bank portal. I go to my account section. That's a report. Report of my current month. Say now, right now, February 2025. Say Feb month report. But my entry page, my login screen has a dashboard. My account information, grand total, my FD fixed deposits, my insurance, my credit card bill, my loans, mortgages, etc., different cards. That is dashboard. So multiple report elements together can give birth to dashboard. That is a concept here. And what we do, remember, not just reporting. No. Now customers have become more interactive. Customers have become more smart. AI tools are outsmarting our smartness, really. So in Power BI, we have nice options to model the data, format the data, so that we have self-service BI by the customers. In olden days, we used to go to restaurants, order the food item. I still remember in my village, a town near my village, we used to have something called military hotel. I still remember we used to enjoy the food over there over the weekends, me and my dad. We go there, right? We get it served, we eat it, and we come back home. Sometimes with a parcel. But now we have something called buffet. You log into, just walk into your nearest subway in your city. You have all the ingredients there, and we have choice to get our own sub. That is what Power BI means now. We need to model the data. Let's come to the point, friends. We need to model the data. We need to shape the data so that end users can generate their own reports. That is called self-service BI. So remember again, there are tools, AI tools within Microsoft. We call them Copilot. And there are non-Microsoft tools who they can generate their own reports. But what about the data? You, me, we need to format the data. That is called data modeling. But how do we do that? Yes, to generate beautiful reports, cheaper, easier, friendly, faster, cloud-enabled reports with AI touch. What we do in Power BI, we need to always work in 360 degrees view of data. I said we can generate our own reports. Yes, for that we have something called Power Query to model the data. Remember, friends, report generation is only this item, okay? That is report generation. That is a part of Power BI. Later came Power Query, data modeling, data shaping activities. We have 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on cloud, trust me, and 50 examples on DAX. Attendees are going for interviews. You have the complete notes and concept-wise FAQs and answers upfront. If in case you already started to go for interviews. Of course, after course registration, okay, let's make it clear and straight. Let's be clear, nothing to hide, nothing to go in a different way, okay? No, Sai, I'm yet to start the interview process. Then get the notes step by step, Go through it carefully. 50, 50, 50. That is our actual course. And what about the first one? In the first one, we have total of scenarios, 20 scenarios and total 20 reports, 40. 20 reports, 20 scenarios, basics. Friends, I'm setting up the expectations. 50, 50, 50, 2, 3, 4 modules. This is our complete course. For example, friends, on my screen, just to make it clear, I said Power Query 50 examples, just to make it easier for us to get the things. We'll start with Power Query architecture. I was talking about restaurant, right? Power Query is a kitchen area, remember. It's a kitchen area. It knows how to read the data from the market, data mart, clean the data, slice it, dice it, then get it ready for the recipe. The actual recipe is reports. And I said 50 examples as a minimum. You respond more. Trust me, you are hearing it right. You respond more. You practice more. You submit assignments. Demand me for more and more assignments. You get more and more. That's how it is. But exactly 50 count for everyone. That's how it goes. Attendees are going for interviews. You get the complete document, a nicely formatted file. You take print copy, go through it carefully. Course continues, but you may do in the meantime as it's up to you. But course continues as usual from tomorrow. Attendees for interviews, it's up to you to get the complete notes up front, take a print copy and get it ready. Others will have module-wise notes. First, you'll be having this particular module. Get the complete notes. Take print copies of it. We'll go through the notes carefully, step by step in the class. There will be assignments for every concept. There will be assignments for every concept right from tomorrow. Tomorrow, we are going to start the installations and then design basic reports. After we do basic reports, there are FAQs. For every concept, there are FAQs. You'll try to answer them, get my answers back. Please, for every concept, to make it clear. And let me tell you how you feel during the class. Oh, it's very easy. Really, you'll feel it's very easy, drag and drop only, right? Correct, correct. The moment you start doing the exercises, then our story comes out. We need to cautiously capture it. Hope you got what I mean. The actual subject lies the moment we start doing the task items. Things are easier, dead easy. Trust me, dead easy, but vast. If someone asks us, what is the best, easiest course to learn with limited or no scripting? Power BI. Very simple and straightforward, but more effort is required. Prerequisites. To step into Power BI, we need to have knowledge on MS SQL, Microsoft SQL. Two reasons for it. Number one, to access database data. Reason number two, to work with something called Power BI Report Server. There is something called Power BI Report Server. Here it is. Power BI Report Server works on SQL Server only. Without SQL Server, there is no Power BI Report Server. Power BI Cloud, no problem. But Report Server, there should not be any problem. You need SQL Server. So to enjoy the complete course, I need to show you two more images. Number one, this is our complete menu. Please take a pic. I'll send it anyway after our session today. Take a color photo. Really, it works. Take the course seriously. Need your support. Take the course seriously. Need your support. Take a color photo paper print. Laminate it. Stick it in your room. Go through all these mantras carefully. Every day. It works. Do it like a puja or a ritual. It works, friends. Please, okay? I need your support. Yes, we are going to have good number of examples as I was promising multiple times today. But what exactly Power BI is about? It is all about reporting, I said, right? Let's go back to the restaurant example again to make it simple and straight. Go to a star hotel. Multiple restaurants, right? In star hotel. We have Mexican, Italian, multi-cuisine, Asian, Chinese, etc., etc. Why? To reach the taste of, to meet the taste of multiple customers. I go to Chinese this week with my kids, and next week with my client, I may need to go to a multi-cuisine. May not be Chinese. I have my own reasons for it. That's how it works. At the end of the day, we get the recipe, we get the report on my screen now. Please, a star hotel has multiple restaurants, or Power BI star hotel has multiple tools. I said, friends, 7 tools, right? 6 left side. These are the design tools we need to learn. Just like a hotel has, star hotel has multiple restaurants, here are multiple tools. Veg ingredients, non-veg ingredients. Ingredients are common. Non-database, database. My comparison for my understanding. Okay. Again, don't ask me, Sai, why you compared veg with non-database. No, my comparison for my understandings. Non-database sources, we will practice in this order carefully. I will mail you all these source files today in this order. Get them ready. Data sources, okay, for our practice. One Excel file, one CSV, comma separated value, one TSV, tab separated value, one text file, one DAT file, one PDF, one AVRO, one Parquet, one JSON, one. And I said etc. for additional items, interactive participants. We need it. Extra. Database sources. We have SQL Server. You will install SQL Server in your computer. Prerequisite for our Power BI. MS Access. You already have MS Office with you, everyone, please. You have MS Office with you, right? Please confirm, please. MS Office.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
I'll help you how to configure MS Access database step by step. Friends,
Okay.
we need it, okay? Things are very simple. Small touch. It will reshape our resume in a beautiful way. Really. Small touch. SQL database. Azure, I will provide you the access. You no need to have Azure account separately, because to configure Azure account, it will ask you for credit card and all. So don't bother about it. I will provide you Azure SQL database access. Part of this course. If you are into BI developer, then you have a separate class for OLAP databases. This is completely optional. If you include it in your resume, then there might be a few extra questions about OLAP. But of course, additional package item, right? We do more, we give more, we get more, always. I'm talking from CTC perspective, cost to the company. It all depends, right? Salary matters. So our keywords matter. I said etc. because you have something called Synapse, Fabric Warehouse. For the participants who are into our Fabric and Azure engineering items, those combo courses. And there is a barbecue in the restaurant called Gateway. Gateway is mainly for Gateway is a tool. We have to install the tool. It's a tool separately. It is like a barbecue in the restaurant. It's for live data coverage, live data operations. Anything live, we make use of this something called Gateway, remember. So Power BI has different tools like this. Gateway tool, report server, publisher, builder, desktop RS, desktop, Power BI builder, Microsoft report builder. Both are different files, different sizes, different purpose. And Excel. Next, what we are learning now? Power BI is an environment for number 1, reporting, number 2, data modeling, number 3, analytics. Reports, data model means to reshape the data, get it in a correct way, correctly formatted way, and end user big data analytics. Reporting, modeling, analytics. Remember, in case you are writing your observation notes. Reporting, modeling, analytics. Next. To perform these activities, we have various reporting tools. We have to install the tools practically one by one. So I was showing you one image like this. These are the tools we need to install. Not everything on a single day. We'll go slowly one by one. We'll start with one. And we have something called interactive reports. What are these? Social media. For example, you log into your Facebook, LinkedIn, or Insta Insights. We see reports. Those are nothing but the interactive reports, remember. And you log into your bank account. That is a paginated report. The bank statements are the paginated reports. Now you can ask me, Sai, what makes the difference? Interactive report means they are more interactive. What does it mean? What do we mean by interactive? Let's see. For example, see here, over the mouse. Over the mouse. From Feb ending to April, we do more promotions. We invest more in LinkedIn. So more hits. We stop the promotions when there are no new batches. Again, we start promotion, we pay more whenever there are new batches. So more hits. Why only Feb to April? Because more recruitment for data analysts during that time. Financial year ending, Fed rate analysis in US. And UK also, we have something called NHS, National Health Service. NHS projects, they get renewed during this time. Because they're the big customers for Power BI, practically. So we invest in our ads during that time. You see more item. But now, less item. But we are fine. It's all about ROI, right? Return of investment. There is 374% increase year on year. We are fine with it. Back to the point, what is this? Is called interactive report. See, over the mouse. Okay, this is called interactive report, like this. This one. 91% increase to the previous day. 10,000, say 10K impressions for our technical post. Something like this. We are fine with it. We got the required information. Then again, you can come low. It depends. So this kind of analysis, business analysis, is possible using Power BI. This is called interactive report. Next, let's go to another report. Part of our course, we are going to learn something called web data source. I repeat, in our classes, we are going to learn something called web data source. There is something called EPL, just like our IPL matches, Indian Premier League cricket matches. We have something called EPL, England Premium League football matches we have. This football match data is a paginated report we call. I hover the mouse, nothing is coming, no calculations. No calculations at all. See here, calculations are coming, right? That is interactive report. Calculations are mainly through DAX, DAX, remember. Power Query is the kitchen area. DAX is analytic area, output, the garnishing item. And these are the paginated reports, like this. In Power BI, we have interactive report design tools. One for cloud, take away. Other one for dine-in, Power BI report server within your company's server, company's data center. Same way, paginated reports. There are two tools. One for cloud, take away. Other one, dine-in, report server. And data scientists mostly use analytical reports. They use Excel. The source of Excel reports, you know, Power BI. Yes, Power BI is not only for reporting. Power BI can store the data for Excel reporting. That is important. Power BI can store the data for Excel reporting, Google Data Studio reporting. Lot of other reporting tools depend on Power BI in few cases, not all, few cases. Power BI has that caliber, that talent. And we have mobile reports for mobile customers, tablets, smartwatches, digital clocks, etc. But remember, we are going to learn slowly, step by step, all 6 design tools and gateway for data refresh. But these are the data sources we have. So what's the purpose of Power BI again, please? Reporting. What else, please? Reporting. What else?
Modeling,
Data modeling.
modeling, analyzing.
Analysis.
Analytics. Analytics. For analytics, we use DAX. For data modeling, we have DAX and Power Query. I repeat, reporting, visualizations. Data modeling, Power Query and DAX. Analytics, exclusively DAX, remember. Exclusively DAX, data analysis expression language. To step into Power BI in a correct way, please revise MS SQL concepts. Basics should be fine. What is what? What is a table? How to query a table? What is a procedure? Basic procedure. Basics should be fine. We no need to be a pro in development, not required. To enjoy my Power BI classes, okay? Really, let's make it step by step. Let's revise once again what we learned so far. Let's revise once again what we learned so far. Then we'll go for questions. So what we are learning, I'll provide you one document today. Kindly take a print copy of the notes. I'll provide you the complete module 1 notes, separate print copy. For now, this is the first print notes. Please take print copy of all the notes, please. Good to have them beforehand. Okay, please help.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Here it is, friends. What is reporting? A mechanism to access and present any type of data to end user. So Power BI is a set of free tools to design reports. And end-to-end implementations. End-to-end means data extraction, validation, report, hosting, design, everything. So we access data, design reports. Second one I said, data modeling, Power Query and DAX. And dashboards, apps, row-level security and analytics with AI. Analytics with AI, part of our classes. And you have to include these items in your resume. So we are going to work with various data sources, get data into Power Query. Power Query is the kitchen area where we shape the data, clean, slice, dice the data. Get the model data for actual reports. You report it or you publish the data to cloud. End users can generate their own reports. Just like a Subway example. So either restaurant or Subway, both flavors are there in Power BI. Remember that. So who can learn it? Here it is. This particular Power BI full-length course that we are learning from tomorrow with all tools as per the Power BI ecosystem, complete ecosystem. The entire Power BI set of tools, the components, and the half-century items we are learning from tomorrow will be useful for developers, will be useful for engineers and analysts. Developers, engineers, analysts. Here is the actual block diagram. Here we are. Power BI can get the data from data sources like apps, website, files, cloud, anywhere. It can read the data. Get into the kitchen area, Power Query, format it, then go for reports, then analyze DAX. Power BI has the talent to read the data from structured sources like OLTP databases, warehouse, big data, aggregated data store, engineering product. From anywhere, Power BI can get the data. So because of multiple inputs from which Power BI can access the data, we have various tools. Here it is. The same diagram, just revising the concept. You'll take print copy of this document carefully. Now the question, what about the software requirements? We need Windows 8 or higher operating system. I'll guide you step by step for all installations. Very first class tomorrow. Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher. Notes, material, I will take care. Interview questions, I'll take care. Answers, you have to take care, please. Project requirement, solution, I'll take care. I'll not pressure you much on the project solution, but I'll pressure you on the assignments. Session-wise, concept-wise assignments, I'll pressure you. It's my duty. Project solution, I'll provide you straight. You'll try to do, but anyway, I'll provide you the complete project solution explanation for our resume. Course is into total of 18 concepts, 18 chapters. First 6 chapters are all about visualizations and reporting. Next comes data modeling, cloud, analytic activities. We'll do it carefully. So just to make it clear again, the dimensions of our Power BI, 4 report types, 7 reporting tools, 2 hosting solutions. What are they? Cloud and report server. And 2 great technologies, Power Query for data cleansing, DAX for data analysis reporting. I was showing you a LinkedIn page few minutes back wherein you have that automated calculations, right? That is from DAX. Say, for example, 20% increase from the previous date, like that. Calculations. Next, with this information, complete content on my screen now. What is Power BI? Types of Power BI reports, tools involved in Power BI, techniques involved in Power BI, hostings involved in Power BI. With this, we'll stop for now. We'll slowly start with report design, installation, and design from tomorrow. This is the final single screen. Please go through it carefully. I'll wait. Over to you now. Let's go for questions, clarifications, if any. We'll stop for today. Questions, please. Over to you now. I'll wait.